vlogging me?
Yeah.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
No, you do not. Really?
Yes, I do. I promise. I really do.
What's your username?
We are J&A.
We are J&A?
Yeah.
Who's J?
My best friend, Jeriyah.
Oh.
She didn't know I had a YouTube channel, guys.
How many subs do y'all have?
128. Not that much, but whatever. This video looks really good outside. Holy cow, I didn't know this. Y'all want to meet Lily? That's Lily. Lily acts like she's camera shy, but she has no reason to be because she's gorgeous. Lily.
You do not have a YouTube account.
Yes, I do.
Let me see.
Yes, I do. I have a channel. Okay, you can see. So it's Thursday, January 12th, and I'm at school, and I don't want to be too obvious that I'm vlogging because I'm at school. But I finished that vlog yesterday, and now I'm about to go to class, and I'll see y'all later. This lighting is really good out here, though. I love filming. Good afternoon, guys. It's after school now. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of forgot that I said I was gonna vlog a little bit at school, but I have a cookie if you want to see it. It's pretty good. It's really buttery. It's a good cookie. I'm just going to go home after I leave here, I'm pretty sure, so I'll see y'all there. Yeah, she's single. Oh.
I thought you were looking at yourself.
Hey, y'all.
Hey, Courtney.
Hey. Say hey, Lily.
Hi.
Lily's single. Courtney's not.
Yes, she is.
Courtney's practically married. It's weird vlogging at school, though, because people, like, judge you.
Who are you pointing at? Nobody.
You.
Those are not me.
Hey, y'all. It's, oh, boy. January the 13th, 2017. It's Friday. I haven't vlogged this morning. Actually, it's actually afternoon now, and I'm just out. I'm taking pictures for my photography class. I don't usually vlog at school. I'm pretty sure I've said that in the last 3 ones. So, whatever. You can meet another one of my friends. I think you saw her the other day, actually. This is Sophie.
You're vlogging.
Yeah. I told you, people will laugh at you if you're vlogging at school, which is why I don't vlog at school, but whatever. Sophie gets it.
Okay.
Yeah. That's all I have to say for now, though. That's all. We're just taking pictures. It looks really pretty outside. It's pretty outside right now because there's like no clouds. Hey y'all, so it is after school. I'm still at the school because I'm in it's like debate club pretty much. It was cool today. Well, I like it every day. Every Friday, so it's whatever. But we have a basketball game today. You see everybody's getting, oh shoot. Whatever. You see everybody's getting their
0935 or visit us at Photography.
Hey y'all, so we just got back from Bed Bath & Beyond. We went again, and I got a new cover for my new room. This moon is just gorgeous, and I'm going to try to get a picture of it, a good picture of it. If I can, I'll send it to you. I'll put it in the video, I mean. So, yeah, we'll see it. You'll see it, hopefully. Hey, y'all, I'm going to stop saying that every time I start vlogging, but it is January 14th, 2017, Saturday. Well, I'm going up to my grandparents' house right now. Y'all have probably heard that so many times, honestly. Period. But,
Sorry.
You're good. But it's kind of late in the day, like it's after 3, and I'm just tired, so, which is probably why I seem tired. We're just in the car now, so there's not much to see, but there's like this lake we're coming up on, and it's kind of nice looking, so I guess I'll edit a clip of it in here.
We need that.
Yes, but
It's all you got your family and
the video on this camera is so good. kind of detoured to a birthday party, but it was like for my grandparents' friend. And I didn't get any food. I'm gonna get food from somewhere else, but we just had some cake, and the actual cake was pretty good. But the frosting was kind of. If you wanna see, you can see everybody. Just behind me. And yeah, that's just about it. We just left the restaurant. I'm about to go get some food. I hope, hopefully. Yeah. So we gotta let the lift down. Perfect. Okay, so I'm at Kmart with my dad, and he fussing because I'm trying to find a birthday card for my cousin because her party is like now, and I gotta go. But I haven't vlogged in a few days. Oh. Yeah, I'm not gonna give her that card. Okay. Look how cute this card is. I don't know how to. And then look on the inside. It's just, I don't know. I just love it. It's adorable. It's cute. We just left Kmart and it's raining. I didn't know it was raining when I took my phone out, so whatever. Oh shoot, and it's lightning. Oh. Choo-choo on that beat. Choo-choo on that. Choo-choo on.
Hi, Maxie. Hey. I want to be in the video. Hi.
They don't need a flash.
Hi.
I know he's just.
Is my flash on?
Yes.
Oh yeah. You got some highlight. Your highlight is popping. Anybody doesn't like chocolate? Oh, everybody hates chocolate. That's crazy.
Keep your flash on, like, if you can, for me.
Was you taking a picture of me?
Phone, and it's not 1990.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Relly. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
And many more. Don't fall on the floor.
Somebody push her head in the cake. Wait.
You tripping,
She got too much hair. She got your fire.
I would.
That's a very bad idea.
She slapped on the
You know what? I just got it. Hey. Hey, blanket.
Y'all just don't bark no more, so she won't bite you.
She will bite.
Well, only because she's scared. She might bite you because she's scared.
Okay, wait.
Hey, blanket.
Wait, let her get a break real quickly.
Look
Look at her. Look. Now she okay.
Yes, girl. Work it. Work it. Work that flannel, girl. Work it, girl. I really don't get it. I really don't understand what
Why you got
meant
the
by
camera
that.
like that, Amaya?
What?
You hold it like this. Raindrop. Drop top.
No, I don't hold it like that because it can only see you like that. Okay. Hey, y'all. It is January
The
22nd. 21st. Oh, well, okay. Yesterday was January the 21st. And that was our second year YouTube anniversary or whatever. It's been 2 years since we started doing YouTube videos. What are you looking at?
Okay, that boy who was just walking, he just came up here.
Oh,
Boy, they got cupcakes and
where? Oh!
Y'all stop.
We only need one person to open the door. What? Hey, Reagan. Hey, Reagan. You fake dinosaurs are going off. Shoot. This is the reality of living in Alabama. We got cupcakes and tornadoes. Lit.
Children, do like y'all do at school. Please go get in the hallway with your sit on your bottoms. That is actually what elementary.
That was their decision to be.
Right said not in the area. It's still stupid. Right said not in the area. I didn't say that.
You ain't gotta get an answer. She thought you meant something.
This is the 4th time the tornado sirens have gone off today. 4th time. Awesome. This lighting sucks. Should probably like we should take cover. Probably. It's sunny though, so it's weird. Like it's really sunny. And you can hear the sirens. I'm doing this. I'll take cover if my mom does this too. Yeah, this is the 4th time the sirens have gone off today.